If you're seeing the Gimp error of Eval Unbound variable, don't worry, because this is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you what the error means, why it happens, and the exact steps to get your script working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and Gimp tips. First, let's understand the problem. An unbound variable error in Gimp usually means your script is trying to call a command that does not exist anymore. In simple terms, the script is referring to something Gimp cannot find. This often happens when the script is old, or when the version of Gimp you are using has changed how certain commands work. So the first thing you should do is check whether the script itself is outdated. If the script was made for an older version of Gimp, it may not work properly in Gimp 2.10 or Gimp 3.0. The easiest fix is to search online for a newer version of the same script. Look specifically for a version that mentions compatibility with your version of Gimp. If you find an updated script, download it and replace the old one. In many cases, that alone solves the issue. Now, if the script is not the problem, the next thing to check is your layers. Sometimes this error appears because you have a floating selection in your image. A floating selection can prevent scripts from running correctly. To fix that, look at your layers panel. If you see an item labeled floating selection, right-click it and choose anchor layer. This will attach it properly to your image layer. After that, try running the script again and see if the error is gone. If you still have trouble, the next step is to make sure the script is installed in the correct folder. This part is especially important on Windows. To do that, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Then type %appdata, %\gimp and press enter, then go to the version folder, then the scripts folder. That is the scripts folder for Gimp. Now paste your .scm file into that folder. After placing the file there, restart Gimp so it can detect the new script. Once Gimp reloads, go back and try the script again. If it was saved in the wrong location before, putting it in the correct scripts folder should fix the problem. If you are still getting the same error, double check that the script file is not corrupted and that it is actually meant for your version of Gimp. Sometimes scripts downloaded from random sources use commands that were removed or renamed, and that is exactly what causes the eval unbound variable message. So the main fix is simple. Update the script, anchor any floating selection, and make sure the file is saved in the correct Gimp scripts folder. Those 3 steps solve most unbound variable errors. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick Gimp troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.